Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. People are asking to explain in English. So that is the reason I'll explain all the videos in English because they have various videos from Hindi region. So I'll explain in English. Don't worry, you will understand each and every word because I'll speak slower. So let us start Army GD previous year examination paper, that is 2019, which was held in Goa. Already I had explained various papers. Have a look in playlist. You will find more papers. Let us start with the section A, which has got the general knowledge. Who was the first or maiden president of India? So first president they are asking, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president. If they ask Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru and Bhimrao Ambedkar, first law minister. And if I say VV Giri, he had selected twice as a prime minister or president. I want you guys to comment me in the section. He was a prime minister or president. He had elected twice actually. I want you to tell me. Next, Ebola is what? Ebola is the name of a virus. As we have the same coronavirus, Ebola virus, you have seen the various movies. In that, Ebola has been given. And I want you guys to comment me in the section, this Ebola virus comes with the which mammal, which one causes Ebola. Next we have a supercomputer which is of no use. Param 8000 is a supercomputer and there is no satellite name as Ebola. Even missile we have Agni Nag but not Ebola. Next we have, after Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, which has become second northeast state whose capital is now connected. So they are asking, after these two, which has become the second northeast state whose capital is now connected. So this answer you have to answer. I want you guys to comment me in the section given below. Whoever has not aware, then have a look in Google and make your answer in this comment section. Where is the Dilwara Jain temple located? So this is something Jain related temple which is located in Mount Abu. If I say Ranakpur Jain temple, which is also in Rajasthan, in the place named as Ranakpur. In the case of Bengaluru, we don't have the Jain temple, we have the ISKCON temples and Vishweshwaraya museum. These are we can find. Historical Sri Padmanabha Swami temple is considered among the richest temples in the country. It is located in Tirunanthapuram, the state of Kerala it is there. So better know about this. Padmanabha Swami temple is the one of the richest one where you have a great doors. Among them maximum doors have been opened, only two remains. There is a great the gold storage temple and which has got the greater wealth in that temple, and it has been locked by making all black magic. And next we have, in the case of Tamil Nadu, Madura Meenakshi temple, we have Andhra Pradesh, that is we have Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. So these are the few important places where you can find temples. The capital of Austria, they're asking, that is Vienna. If they say Australia, that is Canberra. You must know all these capitals and their nations. Neighboring countries of India, they're asking. We have Sri Lanka as the neighboring country. Next, whatever has been given, it is not there. United Nations Organizations Day. UNO Day is 24th October, guys, not September. United Nations organizations had set up 1945 after the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombing. They have got selected 24th October. They have nominated and they made the headquarters at 24th October. United Nations organization had set up and the place is New York. In the year 1945, India has become the member of UNO. Now we are asking Hudhud Titli, these are all natural calamities of cyclones. It has to be remembered. So this kind of terminology they may ask. Even you may be given in the options as cyclones. You have to put that cyclone as the answer. There is no relevant reason, radio transmission, sports, nothing. In which state of India and the maximum literacy rate we can find? In Kerala, we have the maximum literacy rate, as well as the women empowerment is also maximum in Kerala. Out of 1000 boys, there are 1881 girls in Kerala. Subrato Cup is related to the football, and very important, guys. This Subrato Cup is football. Aga Khan hockey. If I say the book Accidental Prime Minister's author, here the book has been written by Sanjay Baru. The accidental prime minister was Manmohan Singh, because the president of Congress, Sonia Gandhi, had made Manmohan Singh twice as a as a prime minister, and among for those 10 years of duration, it was like under the rule of president of Congress. Here Sanjay Baru is the one who had written this accidental prime minister book. If I say Panchashil agreement, it was a pact, it was an agreement which was signed between India and China. If I say 123 agreement, it was signed between India and America. There are various agreements you should remember. And we have full form of UNSC stands United Nations Security Council. So they have asked full form. Vishwanathan Anand is associated with the chess, and very important, guys, you should know all the players and they play which game they used to. General science. Here we have which metal you will find liquid form during the room temperature, which metal, that is mercury. And we have petrol, water and various things which are not metals. If I say non-metal, that is red bromine. Large scale deforestation decreases rainfall. So whatever the large scale we have deforesting, all this deforestation decreases rainfall, because the earth gets global warming, automatically we don't get a rainfall proper manner. And we have a chemical formula of methane, that is CH4 is the chemical formula, and we have C2H2 is acetylene. So all this you have to remember. Now we have a 1 HP, that is 746 watts is 1 HP, and 742 watts, these are all varies. So 1 horsepower is equal to 742 watts, 746 watts. Sour milk contains which of the following acids? Normally milk has got the lactic acid. Because of this, we can see the from the milk to curd, this is the one which makes lactobacillus bacterium, which directly converts from the milk to curd. Lactic acid we can see in this milk. And this is what type of nature, whether it is alkaline, whether it is acidic. I want you guys to comment me in the section. Which of the following computer's parts is usual for the controlling the memory? For the controlling of memory, central processing unit is controlled, and for the power backup we use UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Universal service bus is different. RAM, random access memory, this is temporary. Now we have which type of lens is used to correct the short-sightedness. Concave lens is used for the correcting of short-sightedness. Convex is for long-sightedness. So these are the things you have to remember. Which is the protein present in human blood? So I want you guys to comment me in the section what type of protein present in the human blood. Here we have trypsin and myosin. So we'll find this prokaryotes, and we find this small intestine, that is trypsin, and albumins where you will find, and casein. In this 4, what exactly the right answer? I want you guys to comment in the section. The blood pressure in the normal human beings, that is 120/8 is the blood pressure what we have systolic and diastolic, inhalation and exhalation. Petrol fire is extinguished by the help of the foam, which is very important. All petrol fire type can be easily be extinguished with the help of AFFF, aqueous film forming foam type extinguishers. Which pigment is present in the human blood? Hemoglobin, which carries oxygen molecules from one place to other place, and this is the reason why the red in color of the blood. Rest all trypsin and myosin I had already asked. Which of the following is a leap year? That is 2008, because it is directly divisible by the 4. Rest all, it is not divisible by 4. That is the reason it is not a leap year, and this one is a leap year. Yeast is used in preparation of ethyl alcohol, which is also known as ethanol. Acetic acid we will find in apple cider vinegar, and in the case of yeast, this can be used in the preparation of ethanol. And in the curd we have bacterium, that is lactobacillus bacterium. And we have image formed by a plane mirror, that is virtual image, guys, and real and virtual you can tell. The highest fat content is found in milk of buffalo, will find near about 8%, and then followed by camel. But if you have been given in the answer as only camel, you can put the camel. Next we have the color of the human blood is red due to the presence of hemoglobin. I already told this question has come, it is repeated, don't worry. Now we have metals are both good conductor of heat as well as they exhibit acoustic property. That is the reason we can see the reverberation of the tuning fork. Once you beat with the rubber knob, the tuning fork start vibrating. It gives the acoustic property, and it has got the good conducting of capacity of heat as well. So both is the right answer. What happens to the color of the litmus paper if you put the drop of acid on it? What happens? That blue paper directly gets converted into red after putting an acid on it. So blue gets converted into red. Which of the following blood groups is universal recipient? That recipient they are asking, AB, O is the donor. Which of the following is the largest gland in human body? That is liver. Organ is skin. The adrenal gland, which is on top of the kidneys. Now we have the pituitary, which is in the head, where you can find it. So next Rohtak paper we will be discussing. We will discuss later, and whatever the Rohtak questions have been given, that we will discuss in later session. Let me tell you, you can take the material. If you want all-in-one book, you better take the all-in-one book in which you have maximum content in a pictorial format, which can be useful for your examinations preparation. So more than 3000 plus question paper have been given. That will be very helpful for you guys. Thank you guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. If you have any doubts, you can call me on 7667302252. If you want the material, you can do Google Pay or Phone Pay, and then you take your material. Have a good day. Have a great life.